Hey everybody, good morning. Today's Friday. You guys are watching this on a Sunday, so I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. If you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Bianca. If you are always here, welcome back, you guys. We are getting ready to head to the gym. We wanted to start off our little positivity question pretty early today, so we're about to jump right into it. We're gonna kind of theme this one and do like a self-care Sunday reflection a little bit. So today's question is, what are you going to do today to set yourself up for success throughout the rest of the week? So for instance, on Sundays, I like to completely lay out my planner, have like a meeting, make sure we talk about everything that needs to happen that week, things that must get done, things that we need to put high on our priority list, get that out of the way so I'm not stressed out, worrying about what day or when I need to do them, and then kind of tier everything down below that to not as important. So I do like to do that, and then I just feel very prepared for the week in general and that I have my life together, especially if it's on my Google Calendar, or our, because we share one. But yeah, what do you do? Pretty much the same thing.
Yeah. And I think also just like trying to find some time just to relax.
Yeah,
just to like
have a true self-care Sunday.
I think Sundays are meant for working a few hours and then getting organized and prepared for the week, and like kind of figuring out what the week's gonna be like, and then also doing a lot of cleaning.
Oh yeah, well, that's a deep clean, organization, clean your space, clean your mind, everything like that. So we're challenging you guys to do something like that today. Comment down below what you ended up doing. We're about to head to the gym and do leg day. Tomorrow's a dry try, so everyone get ready for the next video and you'll find out how he did. We're getting ready to leave, like I said, but I'm just wearing the Gymshark long sleeve shirt and camo seamless leggings. I'm wearing my like ECU alumni sweatshirt over, just because last night we had a date night and I didn't even tell you guys where we went, but we went to this place called the Porter's House and we had like lobster mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, steak, like 2 Moscow mules. I kind of balled out. I'm feeling it a little bit today, but also the dry tries tomorrow, so I'm considering today like a heavy. How many Moscow mules do you have? 2. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. I had 1 and then I asked for a different one and I didn't really like it, so Colin had 3 and I had 1. Sorry, I forgot. And then yeah. Anyways, I'm taking today as like a light leg day. Nothing too crazy. Probably not even enough to break out my weight belt, which is okay. But I'll thank myself tomorrow when I'm dying on the treadmill. My situation all ready to go. So I forgot to mention like a huge part of this vlog, but I am centering this vlog today around what I eat in a day. And the main reason why I'm doing it is because like I don't count calories and I don't weigh myself anymore. I'm not like a psycho. I eat and I listen to my body, and if I'm hungry, I'm hungry, and if I'm not, I'm not. What?
I'm not like a psycho.
I used to be psycho about it. They probably know. I literally was psycho about it. But I was so determined to reach my goals and I reached them, and now I'm super lax about everything. But yeah.
Super lax about everything.
What?
So you're not super lax about everything. You're super lax about like knowing what your body's like. You're able to be more in control.
Yeah. But I do get a little psycho if I get off the chains a little bit.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, okay, I guess I'm still a little psycho.
If you get let off, and you know.
I have to, but I just have to be psycho to get myself back on.
Yeah.
It's not even psycho, it's just like mega disciplined. There's a difference.
Is it? I don't know.
I don't know, you've never called me psycho before.
You called yourself psycho.
I know, but you rolled with it.
I rolled with it on what you're saying right now.
I can be mega disciplined or I can be mega chilled. And I feel like right now I'm like a disciplined chill. Like we aren't going to Grand Cayman until like 20 more days, so I can have like 4 more days of chill, and then the 16 days I'll be like psycho. How about that? Anyways, so I'm doing what I eat in a day and showing you guys what I eat today, just to like maintain, you know, like nothing too crazy, all healthy. I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun for me to like walk you through what it's like. We need to go to the grocery store today too, but pre-workout. I am currently taking Alani Nu Mimosa pre-workout. I do like a scoop and a half. I try and drink as much water as I can before I have to drink my pre-workout to make sure I'm like putting some good into my body before I put a ton of beta-alanine in my body. And yeah, that's all I do before the gym. I did want to say that I ordered Sarah's Days Body Bloom. It's obviously going to take a minute to get here because it's coming from another country, but I ordered 2 canisters this time because the last time hers sold out. But if I did have that, I would be drinking that. So I can just do another one when that comes. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another one with all different food, because I feel like that'd be kind of fun. But we are getting ready to head to the gym. We arrived at the gym. We're just having one of those days where you sit and you ponder going in.
I mean, honestly though, like I haven't felt my pre-workout at all
either.
yet.
I'm waiting.
Another reason. But it also just feels really good. It's okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain later today, and his little brother has a football game, so that sucks. And I don't know why it always rains on the day that he has a football game. It literally doesn't rain any other day.
It's really true, actually.
It literally doesn't rain all week, every week, but Friday.
Yeah.
Like, excuse me, what? I have to sit outside today, and you're gonna rain? Okay, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We're gonna do this. Here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. At the gym, I'm gonna show you guys our 2 favorite ab exercises at the moment. One's on a machine, one's not. So if you have a crunch machine, perfect. If you don't, just do regular bodyweight crunches. But I'm gonna show you. Colin's on it right now. Okay, so it's on this crunch machine, and you crunch forward, but then you can put your legs in different positions too. So we do one time it's up, and then you can crunch to the side and get your obliques, just like that. Or you can put your legs straight up. You're not cooperating. You can put them straight out, which hurts. Or you could go straight up, which also hurts. And you just go like rapid fire till like you feel like his face.
So for this one, we actually started doing this when we were on vacation in Nashville because there wasn't an ab machine. So we decided we were just gonna get on a bench and just improvise. And then we came up with this workout Bianca's doing right now. So if you look where her hands are, she's just grabbing the back of the bench. Got her back raised off, just resting on her shoulder blades and pushing up. And she's just gonna keep going until it burns really, really bad. And then we just switch off. And we just keep going, honestly, until we're just burned out.
Okay, so we're back from the gym, and we had a great leg day workout. We saw my mom as we were leaving because she works out there too. She lives there too. But first things first, I'm going to drink my protein. So just drinking, it's from Isagenix, but yeah, this is the macro breakdown. So I'm just drinking 1 serving of this. Total is 140 calories. And then after that I'll have a shake in a little bit, but we got to go to the grocery store and get a bunch of food.
Up on all the groceries.
We need to get food so I can actually do what I eat in a day.
We literally have no food.
Yeah. Why is water going everywhere? Okay, so while I drink my protein, I'm going to get to work, and then probably in like 35 minutes, that's when I have my first shake, and then we'll go to the grocery store. Okay, got ready for the day. I'm not wearing this sweater, I just wore it for an Instagram pic because I wanted to post a picture on my Instagram with our like new headboard and stuff just to update the Insta fam. But I'm about to make an Isagenix shake. You guys have seen this so many times before, so I'm just gonna like kind of give you the rundown. We're almost out of this too. It is just vanilla isoline shake with a full serving of greens, so they just come in this little container. And then I also put Ionic Supreme in there, which is a stress and cortisol level for like balancer. It's like probiotic. And that shake is 240 calories. So that is what I'm eating next. I was gonna make a shake like I was trying to show you guys me making a shake, but I realized we're out of vanilla and we get a package today. It hasn't come yet and I'm so hungry. It's 12. We are on our way to the grocery store because my package isn't here yet with my shake. So I guess I'm just gonna have to have a shake later, which is totally okay. But we're going to Harris Teeter. Harris Teeter has a Starbucks, if you didn't know. Every time Colin and I play rock, paper, scissors, like we just did rock, paper, scissors for who's gonna drive, I won. He could never beat me in rock, paper, scissors, and he just went on a tangent about how annoyed he is that he can never beat me in rock, paper, scissors, and I am the reigning queen.
It is freaking annoying. Literally every time Bianca always plays the winning hand. Always.
What's my name?
Bianca.
What's my name?
Bianca Franco.
What's my name?
Bianca Franco.
He usually calls me Bianca Franco, my queen who commands me.
No.
We're here. Wait, we have to go over here first.
So that's what we're going
I
after
got
right now.
the gal. Okay, so we have a whole list and we're about to load up the cart. It's gonna be great.
Squash, zucchini and squash, green beans. That's what we're getting right here in this section.
Avocado.
Great brush.
Definitely getting an orange. Love this one. I grabbed grape because I wanted to try it. I've had raspberry acai before. It's pretty good. It's just not sparkling. Final. It's like a big grocery shop. Oh my god, I wasn't even recording.
Really? That happens to me sometimes.
Okay, so we just left the grocery store. I'm about to go run in and get our parcels. Really quick, as far as like budgeting for food and stuff goes, Colin and I think that we spend probably around like $500 a month on food. But we prioritize food a lot, and that also includes like our protein and our pre-workout and stuff. But it is very important to us what we put in our body. Like, it would be pointless to work that hard in the gym and then just like not eat very like healthy and high in nutrition. Yeah.
In terms of getting your body the way you want it to look.
Yeah, you have to like fuel your body with really, really good nutrition. And also, Gymshark just posted that they're doing a pop-up in Houston, which we could have gone to. We really could have.
Well, we're going
to Grand Cayman. We're going to be in
nothing really to complain
paradise.
about it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. I think it's a little poster for our new office
is that
area.
A poster?
Yeah, for our office area. It says get shit done, but it says get it done, but but
yeah,
I got
with
like
that sage blur, yeah.
Yeah, but I got a smaller one so we could like put it in a frame or something and lean it on the shelf.
Yeah.
I thought that that'd be kind of cute. Or we could like put it somewhere else too, but I got like the smaller one. So, whoops.
Saved it.
And then here's our shakes. I don't exactly know how it all fit in here because this looks really small to me, but it's okay. It's probably right. Okay, we just got back, put everything on the counter. We're about to put it all away, but we just did a huge restock. We got Celsius, we got cheese, butternut squash. That's for Colin, he makes like hash browns, spinach, avocados, peppers, butter, popcorn, bananas, more peppers, limes, potatoes, salmon, chicken sausage, regular sausage, steak, eggs, cilantro, zucchini squash, mushrooms, pesto. Colin got pickles and they gross me out, so I'm definitely not eating those. But yeah, we just did like a huge restock.
Yes, we did.
Okay, now I'm finally drinking a shake. We have to put all those groceries away, but I was so hungry, oh my god. Okay, here's this poster that came. I figured we could put it in a little frame, and it says make it happen, but it's actually like make shit happen, but the SH is like blurred out. I figured that would be really cute, like in our office, leaning in a frame up against our shelf we're gonna put up. I'm editing the vlog for you guys. I'm almost done. I have like 2 minutes left of footage. Oh, Colin makes the best food. Egg sausage, hash browns, cheese. Can I have a bite?
Do you want a bite?
Yeah.
You want a bite right here, this bite right here. You want
That's
that
a
bite?
big bite. Are you willing to give
bite.
that
I
to
know
me?
you want it.
That's huge. That's big.
Come on.
Ah. Well. I guess that's what I eat in a day too.
A bite every
A bite
day.
of Colin's food every day. So for a snack, I'm gonna make like an egg. It's basically like a breakfast burrito. But right now on the stove, I'm just heating up one of these chicken sausages. And then I just used 2 eggs. This time I'm gonna saute some spinach though and put it in there with some cheese. And then, I don't know why I got the lettuce out because I don't need it. And then I might put some of this like avocado dip, just like a little bit in it. And I'm just gonna make a breakfast burrito. And I'm also about to put the potatoes in the oven for dinner because they take quite a long time and we need to make sure we leave on time for his little brother's game because we're usually late for some reason. Okay, that's actually really good. Wow. It was the first time I've ever made that. Also been snacking on these corn chips throughout the day. Just wanted to tell you guys they're from Trader Joe's. They're so good. I've literally been eating these like on and off all day. I'm gonna start cooking dinner. I really need somewhere to put this. Anyways, okay, so I wanted to talk quickly about intermittent fasting because I still do intermittent fasting and I wanted to kind of give you guys a breakdown. So like I said, I do not count my calories. I just follow the time schedule. So I eat anywhere between 11 p.m. and 7 p.m. at night. So I'm like on 11 to 7 p.m. schedule. Sometimes I eat before that depending on when I work out, but usually that's just what it is. And I've just been, honestly, all I do is just eat between those windows, and then my body's fasting while I'm sleeping and while I'm working out, and then I break my fast at 11 or after. And it's just, I just try and make a conscious effort to make sure I'm getting my meals in. By then, all that there is to it is I just eat within the window. I still consider it intermittent fasting because I don't eat after that at all. So yeah, on date nights sometimes like we eat later and it's really not that big of a deal as long as you do it at least like 6 days of the week or 5 to 6. I think you're fine. But if you want to try it out, I'm not like 100% knowledgeable on intermittent fasting, even though I've been doing it for so long. I just eat in the window and I really like it. And I think it helps with bloating. I think it helps burn fat a lot, and I've just noticed a difference, so give it a try. But I just wanted to let you know that my eating window is from 11 to 7, and I usually like to break my fast with carbs and protein. That's it. Okay, so here's my chicken breast, and then on top, I just put my hair up so I don't get like food or hair in our food. But on top, I'm putting this organic green pesto sauce, which we got from Harris Teeter. I'm sure there's Harris Teeters not all over the world, but it's just green pesto sauce. And then on top of that, I'm putting a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top, just a little. Okay, so here it is. The oven's at 450 right now. On the green beans, we just wash them, obviously. We put salt, pepper, garlic, salt, and onion powder. That's how we always season green beans and asparagus. And then salt, pepper, the pesto, and then cheese on top. Mine's the smaller one with the lighter cheese, and I pounded the cheese onto Colin's. And then the potatoes should be done in a minute. Both the green beans and the chicken are going in for 18 minutes. And then that's gonna be good. This is our own recipe, guys, not even HelloFresh, just everybody know, okay? Everyone know. Okay, so in my potato, I like just putting butter and then ground cinnamon. I just sprinkle that on top. And then, yeah, it tastes really, really good. And then once the other stuff's done, I'll put it on the plate. All done. Looking good. We literally had to go open our porch door because it was so hot in here. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Wow. That was the last thing I'm eating today. We're about to go to Connor's game. And then I'll see you guys when we get back. But that was all for the food today. I am full. I'm ready to watch Connor nail the crap out of some people. Hopefully. Just kidding. People are probably like, what the heck? What position is he?
Linebacker.
Linebacker.
I didn't know if you were wanting me to say it or not.
Well, yeah, I don't know. You can say he's a linebacker. That's why I said that. Just letting everyone know. We just got back from Connor's game. They won, and I'm editing the vlog now instead of before we left, just in case I like by chance ate anything else. But I can confidently say that I didn't. So that was the end of my fast. I only had like a sip of a White Claw, and that was it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Weekend of my life is coming up next. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you stick around and join the fam, and I will see you guys in my next video.